Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Let me to introduce myself to you. My name is Siti Memuna. I come from Karawang, West Java of Indonesia. I was born in Karawang on 1st of April 1988. I am 37 years old. I am married. I have 2 children. Number 1, she is 13 years old, and number 2, he is 4 years old. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am number 4 in my family. My religion is Muslim. My height is 160 cm, and my weight is 56 kg. My last education is junior high school. I have working experience before in Saudi Arabia for 3 years, since 2022 until 2025. My job is take care of children and I do general housework. I can cook Indonesian food like fried rice, chicken soup, egg balado, and char kangkung. I can cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, steamed egg, japchae, and kway teow. I can handle, cut, and cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I can take care of baby or children. I can take care of old age or elderly person. I am not afraid of dog. I promise to finish my contract for 2 years. I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money for my family and my future. My interview finished. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I hope to see you soon in Singapore. Bye-bye.